Hey guys, today I'm talking about I'll share some ideas about self-watering planters work. First I tell you how does self-watering planters work. Self-watering planters use sub-irrigation to deliver water directly to plant roots without any work. The water reserve at the bottom of the planters allows the plants to drink at its own pace and visually show caregivers when it is time to water with an empty reservoir. And the second one is how does self-watering planet work? How long do self-watering planters last? The refilling of self-watering planters varies depending on the size of the reservoir, while some self-watering pots require you to refill after 2 weeks. Some can go up to 4 weeks without needing a refill. So, guys, you can adopt these ideas. These are very useful for you. These are very important ideas. Look at these beautiful pictures. What is the problem with self-watering planters? One of the cons of the self-watering pot is that plants that need very moist soil may struggle with the bottom-up watering system. Self-watering pots will never properly soak a thirsty aquatic plant like umbrella, palm or fiber optics plants. So guys, you can apply these ideas. These are beautiful for you.